Make this.
No, it gets better.
Recon searching for targets. Enemy recon aircraft observed. Securing base. Care package on the way. Check the drop. Dug in and base. Counterintelligence airborne. Engaging enemy aircraft.
No.
Now enjoy the show.
Hey guys, Jacob here, and today I have for you a spectacular gameplay. I got a combat shotgun V2, but wait, it's actually a double V2 fail with the combat shotgun. The first time I almost got the V2, you guys actually just saw in the clip before this gameplay started, when I died on like a 22 or 23, and then at the end of this video, I actually get the V2 with the combat shotgun. But I've been going for this for a couple days now, and it's been pretty challenging. I mean, the combat shotgun's a really easy gun to use in normal gunfights. I mean, one-on-one close gunfights. I'm sure everyone knows that it's super frustrating to play against sometimes, but going on a streak with it is a completely different thing, and it took me quite a few tries. Half the time I would use it, I guess people on the other team were getting angry, so they would pull theirs out, which is understandable, and then, you know, they ended up killing me with the fire shotgun or something. But I wasn't even using the fire shotgun in this. I was just using the normal combat shotgun and managed to almost get 2 V2s. I mean, it's crazy to me that the time I finally get a V2, I actually almost get 2, like 2 or 3 kills off. But yeah, you know, this gameplay I think is pretty damn good. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro clips and everything as always, and I just want to say welcome to any new subscribers. You know, I'm hoping this gets me some exposure, and I'm going to try to put myself out there some more. And then my buddy YouTube S'mores said he would shout this video out, so you know, if any of you guys are coming from S'mores channel, welcome, and I hope you guys subscribe and stay along and, you know, keep checking out my content. I want to get more interaction on my channel. You know, I hope people keep commenting and everything, and you know, it really means a lot to me no matter what people say. You know, even if it's just GG or good video or whatever, I really do appreciate it. I really want to keep this going, and hopefully, you know, before Modern Warfare we can hit, let's say, 100 subscribers. We're at like 20 right now, but you know, I think we can get there in a few months. We'll just have to see, and you know, keep uploading these great gameplays. And I'm not going to do much commentary today. I know I didn't do it last time either. Hopefully in the future I'll have more regular commentary topics, and then, you know, I want to switch to kind of just doing live comms normally, like just you know, live comm over a gameplay and then edit it after that, and not really do my own commentary after the fact, because I feel like that would be more entertaining for you guys. So whenever I can get a capture card, I'm going to go ahead and try to do, you know, just generally live comms instead. But I'm going to let the video play. I'm not watching it right now. Usually I do my commentary while I'm watching the video. That way I can, you know, chime in on certain parts and have it in sync. But I'm kind of just going off the top of the head right here. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch the rest of the video without my commentary. Like I said, like I always say, hopefully you guys enjoy the gameplay. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. It's been Jacob. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm out.
Care package on the way. Check the drop zone. Capturing Charlie. They're capturing Able. Closing with Able. They're taking Baker. They're taking Charlie. Good work. Rest up for the mission begins now. Remember your training. Closing with Charlie. Enemy controls Able. Charlie is ours. Closing with Baker. Baker is ours. They're taking Baker. Taking Able. Enemy capturing Charlie. Recon aloft. We have eyes in the sky. Counterintelligence airborne. Care package on the way. Protect the drop zone. They're taking Baker. We have fire superiority. Low altitude bomber inbound. Dropping in center. Capturing Baker. Taking Charlie. We lost C. In the courtyard. Securing Able. Closing with Charlie. They're taking Baker. Captured a V2 rocket. It's ready for lost the lead. Launching captured V2 rocket. Taking Able.